So here we have it, a demo station. I'm probably going to embarrass myself, but it definitely sounds something maybe Indian. Got no idea where it is. It's just one from the generated list Don sent. The problem that we're having is I can only play it out of the screen's HDMI audio output into this. For some reason, it is well documented out there on the internet that Linux, which is the operating system Raspberry Pi works on, seems to have massive issues with being supported on Bluetooth. So even though it claims to have technically paired with my Bluetooth speaker, or indeed just using an audio jack and plugging it into the Raspberry Pi, it will not play. So it would seem unreasonable to ask people to buy a flat screen TV with HDMI output just so that you can play the radio. So obviously we're not going to do that, but we've been spending about the past 2 hours trying to figure this out. So maybe this is the one time a vlog will help. If you do know, please put some help in the comments because we're really struggling with this. Anyway, cheers.